Now finally I have my selection. I can start playing with color. So I want to start with the external outside of the armchair. So I'm making the selection from the path I have, so you can see the selection running. And also here in this layer I want to apply an adjustment layer, which is the basic hue and saturation layer. And here you can see that you can easily drag the hue slider in order to change the color of the armchair. So the point is that when you create a selection and then you start with the adjustment layer, you can play with the adjustment layer without actually affecting the look of the color which is belong to the layer which is underneath. And yeah, you can easily create the combination you want. In case you don't like it, you can just cancel this layer. But also here I'm noticing that I'm also changing the color of the little pillow which is on top of the armchair. So I want to remove the little pillow, or even better, I want to remove the effect of the color changement from the pillow. So I'm doing the selection again of the pillow. Yeah, I'm saving the path of the little pillow. And also I want to convert this to a selection, and then I want to take advantage of the fact that since I have a layer mask of the effect, I'm going to fill that selection by black in order to remove the layer pillow, the little pillow from this effect. You can see now I have like a little black hole, looks like a square. It's the actual pillow.